The Power is the compelling sequel to The Secret, authored by Rhonda Byrne. While The Secret introduced the world to the law of attraction, The Power dives deeper into the core force that activates and sustains this universal law of love. Rhonda Byrne's central message in The Power is simple yet profound. Love is the most powerful and creative force in the universe, and by aligning with it, we can attract joy, health, wealth, and fulfillment into every area of our lives. The core idea, love is the ultimate force. Byrne begins by emphasizing that every successful individual in history, from great inventors to spiritual leaders, tapped into the power of love. She defines love not merely as a romantic emotion, but as a vibrational energy and a creative force that governs the universe. According to the book, whatever you give out in life, whether it's love, joy, anger, or fear, returns to you multiplied. This is why cultivating love, gratitude, and positive energy is essential for attracting the life you desire. The law of attraction in action. While The Secret focused on thoughts becoming things, The Power refines this principle by asserting that your feelings amplify those thoughts. It's not enough to just think positively, you must feel positively. Byrne argues that your feelings are your frequency, and the better you feel, the more aligned you are with the universe's creative power. For example, if you feel joyful and grateful about your finances, even if your bank account is low, you send out a frequency of abundance, and the universe responds in kind. On the other hand, if you feel worried or anxious about money, you attract more scarcity. Gratitude, the gateway emotion. One of the most practical takeaways from The Power is the emphasis on gratitude. Byrne describes gratitude as the great multiplier. The more you appreciate the good in your life, the more good the universe delivers to you. She encourages readers to start each day with a mental list of things they're grateful for and to feel that appreciation deeply. Gratitude acts like a magnet for positive outcomes because it places you in a high-frequency state. It also shifts your focus away from lack or dissatisfaction and aligns you with the abundance that already surrounds you. Visualization and positive focus. Visualization continues to play a key role in Byrne's teachings. The Power recommends vividly imagining the life you want while generating the feelings you would experience if it were already real. The emotional charge behind your vision, joy, love, excitement is what sends a powerful signal to the universe. In one of the many real-life anecdotes shared, a woman visualized herself driving her dream car, feeling the joy and freedom it brought her. Eventually, through an unexpected series of events, she manifested the exact car she had visualized. The book stresses the importance of focusing on what you do want, not what you don't. Byrne explains that the universe doesn't recognize don't or not. If you focus on I don't want to be broke, the universe hears broke and gives you more of it. Instead, focusing on I am wealthy and secure sends out a positive, love-aligned message. Relationships and the power of giving. In the section on relationships, Byrne emphasizes that giving love is the only way to receive love. Instead of seeking approval or affection from others, we should focus on radiating love ourselves. This doesn't mean tolerating toxic behavior, but rather creating a vibration of love that attracts harmonious relationships into your life. Byrne encourages readers to stop trying to change others and instead change the way they feel about them. This shift in perspective often results in remarkable improvements in the relationship itself. Health and the power of belief. The Power also delves into health and healing. Byrne asserts that the body responds powerfully to love and positivity. People who focus on their wellness, feel grateful for their body, and visualize themselves as vibrant and whole are more likely to recover from illness. She cites several real-life examples where people experienced dramatic recoveries after shifting their thoughts and emotions. Laughter, music, kindness, and gratitude are all tools that raise your frequency and promote healing. Negative emotions such as anger, resentment, and fear, on the other hand, are considered destructive energies that can manifest physically. Money and abundance. When it comes to money, Byrne says that loving money is not about greed or materialism, it's about being grateful for what money allows you to do and experience. She warns against feeling stressed or fearful about money, as these emotions create more of the same scarcity. Instead, she advocates for blessing your bills, thanking money as it flows to and from you, and trusting in the unlimited abundance of the universe. She urges readers to celebrate financial abundance wherever they see it, whether it's a friend's success, a luxury car on the road, or a beautiful house. Feeling good about others' prosperity attracts the same to you. Final thoughts, use the Power daily. Rhonda Byrne concludes the book by encouraging readers to apply the Power in every aspect of their lives. From morning routines to interactions with strangers, every moment offers a chance to align with love. She encourages readers to consciously choose love in their thoughts, feelings, words, and actions. The universe is like a mirror, it reflects the energy you send out to you. Love is the key to transforming your circumstances, improving your relationships, healing your body, and manifesting your dreams. The more you love life, the more life will love you back. If you found value in this summary, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More life-changing insights are just a click away only here on Summary Lab. See you in the next one.